Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic. Question: which Indian city is home to the headquarters of the Indian Railways? Answer B. New Delhi. Question: the Golden Quadrilateral Highway Network connects which four major Indian cities? Answer A. Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. Question: which port is the largest container port in India by volume? Answer A. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Question: the Konkan Railway primarily connects which two Indian states? Answer C. Maharashtra and Karnataka. Question: which Indian airport was the first to be awarded the 5-star rating by Skytrax? Answer A. Indira Gandhi International Airport. Question: which Indian national highway is known as the longest highway in the country? Answer A. NH-44. Question: the Inland Waterways Authority of India, IWAI, was established in which year? Answer B. 1996. Question: the Bandra-Worli Sea Link is located in which Indian city? Answer A. Mumbai. Question: which Indian airline was the first to introduce the concept of low-cost carriers in India? Answer D. Air Deccan. Question: the longest railway platform in India is located at which station? Answer A. Gorakhpur. Question: which waterway is the longest national waterway in India? Answer A. National Waterway 1. Question: the Dedicated Freight Corridors (DFC) project in India aims to connect which two major corridors? Answer A. Eastern and Western. Question: which Indian city is known for the first metro rail system in India? Answer C. Kolkata. Question: the Sagarmala project is primarily focused on which sector? Answer B. Ports and shipping. Question: the National Highways Authority of India, NHAI, was established in which year? Answer B. 1995. Question: which Indian river is part of National Waterway 1? Answer A. Ganga. Question: which of the following is the first Indian airport to have a dedicated cargo terminal? Answer B. Mumbai International Airport. Question: the Mumbai-Pune Expressway is notable for being? Answer A. the first 6-lane concrete highway in India. Question: what is the primary purpose of the Udaan scheme in Indian civil aviation? Answer B. to enhance regional connectivity. Question: the Indian Railways is owned and operated by which ministry? Answer B. Ministry of Railways. Question: Which Indian state has the highest length of national highways? Answer A. Maharashtra. Question. The first Indian shipyard to build an aircraft carrier was? Answer B. Mazago Dock Limited. Question. The International North-South Transport Corridor, INSTC, is aimed at connecting India with which regions? Answer C. Middle East and Europe. Question. Which city has the largest metro rail network in India by route length? Answer A. Delhi. Question. The Vande Bharat Express is a type of? Answer A. High-speed train. Question. The Inland Waterways National Waterway runs along which river? Answer A. Brahmaputra. Question. India's first semi-high-speed train is named? Answer B. Vande Bharat Express. Question. The longest sea bridge in India is? Answer A. Bandra-Worli Sea Link. Question. The National Electric Mobility Mission aims to promote? Answer A. Electric vehicles. Question. The Sagarmala initiative is primarily associated with which government ministry? Answer A. Ministry of Shipping. Thanks for watching. Comment your score. If any suggestions, comment below. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.